Welcome to our educational guide on setting up your very own BigCommerce store.
Before we dive in, let's lay the groundwork. Define your goals, allocate a budget, and research your e-commerce platform options. Now, let's walk through the steps to set up your BigCommerce store by yourself. Start by signing up for a BigCommerce account. Choose a plan that suits your needs. Next, create product categories to improve navigation and SEO. Begin adding products to your store. BigCommerce makes this process easy. Configure essential settings like currency, taxes, and payment gateways. Offer various shipping options for your customers' convenience. Customize your store's look and feel using pre-made themes or custom designs. Provide important information on pages like About Us and FAQs. Configure your store's navigation menu for easy customer access. Test your store thoroughly, then launch it to the world. Manual setup can be challenging due to limited customizability, resource constraints, and a skill gap. Here are some must-have features for your BigCommerce store. Responsive design, user-friendly navigation, product search and filtering, high-quality product images and videos, product reviews and ratings, secure payment options, multiple shipping options, abandoned cart recovery, wish list and save for later, social media integration, analytics and reporting, SEO-friendly features. That's where BigCommerce development experts come in. For more details, visit the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and we'll catch you in the next e-commerce educational guide. Meet Klizer, your expert partner for BigCommerce store development.